everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious and quick and easy shrimp spaghetti recipe. Organic spaghetti, Garofalo brand, and you can use anyone. And why I said quick and easy, the shrimps I'm going to use, these are pre-cooked, deveined, tail off, and these are clean shrimp. 1 tablespoon garlic, red chili flakes, salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon each, and these are always to taste. If you like it hot, add more. Then I'm going to use a creamy Alfredo pasta sauce. I'm going to use two of these. These are 500 grams. Parsley flake and olive oil. And let's start making our delicious shrimp spaghetti. I place the pot and put the water, and I bring the water to boil. Now I will bring the spaghetti inside. And as for the direction, it says it takes 11 minutes. So we added 1 bag, and I'll add the second bag. You need enough water so that it gets soaked in, and we're going to let it boil, let it cook. Once they're going to get cooked well, they will get tender, then we're going to pull these out. It's about 8 minutes. As you see, they have started getting tender. We're going to wait another 3 minutes. Now I'm going to start another burner. And we're going to get the karahi. Add olive oil. As the oil heats up, add garlic. Mix it, and we're going to cook it until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cooking for 20 seconds. Add shrimp. The shrimp is pre-cooked. Now bring your gas on low, and we're going to cook the shrimp with garlic. At the same time, I'll add salt, black pepper, red chili flake, mix it well, and on low gas we're going to cook for 2 minutes. On low gas, cooking shrimp with garlic and spices for 2 minutes. It soak up all the garlic flavor. I'll add salt and mix it well. Now bring your gas on medium. I turned off the gas, and spaghetti is all ready. As the sauce heats up, I'm going to bring the spaghetti inside, then I will add more sauce. If you have a pot next to you, then you can do this, or you can drain the water and then bring it right here, just like this. I'm going to keep continuing adding in. Ensure that your gas is low again. So as all the water drains off, bring it inside. I'll keep adding the same way. Now I'll add more sauce. Now with the help of 2 spoons, now we're going to mix it well. Now we're going to bring the shrimp and the sauce from the bottom, and we're going to keep mixing it. And we are cooking on low gas. Once it's nicely combined, our dish is all ready. And now the last ingredient, good amount of parsley flake. Mix it, and then we're going to add some more. Once it's nicely combined, add some more. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our dish is all ready, and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving plate ready, and our delicious shrimp spaghetti is all ready. This is super yum. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, with some Parmesan cheese on top of it. This is a perfect dish. For seafood lovers, this is one of the favorite dish. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.